left side.
What? Ayan. Oh. Yes! Welcome po!
Ayan po yung eat all you can. Eat all you can.
Diabetes is waving.
Diabetes is waving. Waving, waving. Mano minutes? Mano minutes? Mano minutes pa tayo. Diabetes is waving niya. Hindi pa ka nang
Eat all you can na mangga. Registration is 150. Tara.
Lusa kami ang Ginoo sa tanan nga kalautan, hatagi kami sa pagdidait sa among mga inadlaw. Buligi kami agud maluwas kami gihapon sa sala. Paliguna kami sa tanan namon nga mga panaliban, saktan kami nagapaabot sa bilang adlaw nga amon ginalauman. Magabalik sa Jesucristo amon.
Yes! Welcome back, sister!
po dito sa Gimaras. Welcome to Magan Festival. So, pila na urot ang tao subong?
Enough!
3 minutes, I love you. Ikaw yung mga pila na urot na. Apat yan, ma'am. I love you too.
Pwede ka ako pa oras, pwede pa sa mga
Yes, pwede pa. Pwede pa until 11 o'clock. Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am. And I hope you enjoy ka mo. There is Gimaras.
Alright, moving on. These are the next table. Sir, where are you from?
Ano po din kayo from Iloilo?
Iloilo. Team kita sa Iloilo gani?
Okay na po. District of Lucena.
New Lucena!
Alright, New Lucena.
Ay, ito ka. Reopen pa si ma'am? Kasama ay hindi. Sa mga pinaka-paho makautan? Ito alam din. Duwa na si Sir. May si Sir Duwa. Alright, so, how was it so far? Sobra ka namin. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, how are you today, mister? Kasama nila?
Hindi mo kasama si Mama. Welcome. You're from? Lilo. Hindi ka sa Lilo.
Yes, students, consume as many mangoes as you can. Should you need more, all you need to do is to raise your hand.
Ayan. Again, for the information of everyone, that the title holder sa last year is 25 mangoes in 30 minutes.
Yes. Yes, should you wish to break that record, just raise your hand. We will give you all the, what do you call that?
Yes.
Oh, the airtime kita. Excited kita.
Okay.
Sige na. We'll start. Yes, welcoming everyone for a table.
Okay,
We'll start from this young ladies from where? Uya sila. They are from Iloilo City. Always come
Okay, so we have a guest here. Good morning, sir.
First day,
Okay, where are
first
you
day
from?
dito. First day. Are you gonna stay here? Sa Iloilo?
Are you picking us? How long?
Kayo din? Are you together?
1 year. Okay, so I have a question for you. If you're given a chance, if you rate the Mandos of Gimas from 1 to 10, what is the lowest and 10 is the highest? How would you rate the Mandos of Gimas?
Gagawin kayo, sabi ni Dan.
100.
Wow, 100.
Thank you so much, sir, and I hope you enjoy your stay here in Gimaras. So enjoy
Kain
every
tayo
single
dyan.
moment. What's with you today?
Matamis!
Okay, so thank you so much. Please come back.
Yes, I'm London friend.
Alright, I have here friends who came all the way from
Isabela!
Isabel. What's your name, ma'am?
Lin. Lin and?
Maricar.
I have friends here, Ma'am Lynn and Maricar.
Yes, welcome.
Galing silang Cagayan
Vale.
Valley. Kumusta naman mango experience nyo?
Matamis!
Matamis.
Matamis. First time mo sa Gimaras Island?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so enjoy po after this. At kain na kayo ng kain again. 25 po ang record title holder natin for most mangoes in 30 minutes.
Yes, take your time. You have 25 minutes.
Yes.
Actually, you po ang manggaling mo. Yes, ma'am. Gachay.
Okay, so we have here our friends from, sir?
Bacolod.
Okay, from Bacolod City. Okay, so how do you find our mangoes here in Guimaras?
Terteka ng S.
Kaya yan, i-break, sir, ang 25 pieces na to, record breaker.
25 ito nga lang, bro.
Wow.
Okay, sige, once again, welcome din sa probinsya sa Guimaras.
Okay, so all the way we have here our guest from Sipalay. Good morning, ma'am, and welcome to Magal Festival. So what's your name? Okay, so ma'am Ann, sino po sa Bungaga?
Sister, tapos ako mga kaibigan sa first time na nag-attend sa Maglacan Festival sa Ngayon.
So kanami magkaon, kulupod ang pamilya. Okay, so ano ang mahal mo sa sabor sa baos ng Gimaras?
Marami din.
So balik-balikan.
Balik-balikan din, sir.
Wow,
Okay,
yes, yes.
Yes, 6 hours to be here.
Ang galing, magkulong ka namin kang balik-balikan. Yes, see you ma'am next year. Thank you so much.
Yes, here. Mom, from where? Sa Balantang Haro. So, ating mga ladies, di ma'am, hinahinay na mga ato mga sugar. Yes. Oo, yan. Kunodok.
Alright, ma'am, I have here naman friends. Galing sa, mga Tagalog naman tayo ngayon. They are from Quezon City. What's your name, sir?
My name is Robert. I'm from Quezon City.
Alright, welcome po. And your name, ma'am? Jordan from Quezon City. And that's one, sir?
I'm Jason from Quezon City.
Jason from Quezon City. Why lang po na po sa yun?
I think 10 pieces.
Mga sampo, tingnan natin, we will go back to you o makaka-officer ng 10 ang mango. Moving on to yung mag-batch.
Okay, so we have here from Kasal Festival, nagkagtugin din sa Manggahang Festival. We have here from
Abante, Banate.
Okay, Abante, Banate. Okay, hello from Banate. What's your name, ma'am? Okay, we have your Ruth from Banate. Kamusta ang paho sa Gimaras? Ay, wow, sa Katamis. Makagaling pa kamaikan?
Yes.
Okay, yes na yes kay Ma'am Judy. Sir.
Yes. Yes. I think I have here. Yes, here a couple from where? From Dumanga.
Ay, wow.
Welcome, ma'am, sir.
Yes. Feeling ko ba si may proposal ng mga gagawin.
Ay, tuon, ma'am.
Kasi pinakakaon si Ma'am sa pao, hindi niya alam yung sing-sing.
Oo, ano ka man sa sir?
It is our pleasure here to exhibition. Wow.
Thank you so much. Let's enjoy the mangoes.
Okay, so we have here our friends all the way from Ibiza Practice. Sakto ba?
Yes,
Okay, so sino nga lang tamang?
Minsan mo
O,
ba
saan ka pa sa Ibaras? So, muna naging adlaw. So, ano ang mahambal mo sa pao sa Ibaras? Wow, kanamit? Kanamit doon! So, balik-balikan ang pao sa Ibaras?
yes.
Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am, and enjoy sa mga adlaw.
Yan, ari naman ako English naman yun. So,
Yes.
Those are right.
all the way from?
Welcome, ma'am.
Welcome to Guimaras Island. Where did you hear about Guimaras Island? From your family. What's your name now? Irish. Okay, so what did you say about Guimaras Mango? They are the best. Delicious and the
Thank you
best.
so much from South Africa.
From South Africa right here.
Okay.
Guimaras Mango.
Sige, so we have here also partner from Iloilo. What's your name? Okay, Eunice, kamusta ang pahos ng Guimaras? Super sweet. Okay, super sweet. Yan paano sa ka-sweet sa niya na smile, Eunice. Okay, no? Okay, how about you, ma'am? What's your name? Okay, Ma'am Charlie, kamusta ang pahos ng Guimaras? Okay, well, take it, Kataris. Welcome to welcome kay Ma'am Charlie together with your family.
Yes, and here from this table, Besh, from where? From Puton, Iloilo. O ano no, please ko manalo. Ang taga na taga-probinsya sa Iloilo, at ang taga-Negros,
Arisa Astro.
Yes, grabe present. Yan.
since sa May 17 when we started, wala lagi dyan absent ang mga Negros, ang mga Iloilo. Yes.
We are so much great and welcome kay Dere sa probinsya sa Guimaras.
Okay, so we have here our guests. Good morning, sir. Sino nga lang ta? Okay, so Sir James, taga-diin. Tagi? Oh, Tagalog. Okay, so ilang mangga na po ba yung naubos mo? Naurot? Naubos mo? Okay, pang-ima. So anong masasabi mo sa mangga ng glass? Wow, sobrang sama. So sino yung kasama mo yun? Okay, alone ng bahala. Kasi importante na. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. And enjoy po yung pagkain mo ng mangga. Okay? So, Abian?
Yan ang ako niya, yung mga taga-foreign land. Kita na ako. So,
Same
I'm
po
here
kayo.
with your friend. All the way from
Vancouver.
Vancouver!
From South Africa to Vancouver. Welcome to Guimaras Island. Ma'am, mga ilan bang inuubos? How many mangoes can you finish in a month? What will she think she can finish 4 or 5? Pretty sure that. Enjoy that.
Sige, sir.
Back to the next table.
Okay, we go, sir. Okay, we have also visitors coming from Aripalo, Iloilo. Hello, sir. Kamusta? Okay, pila na kapawi. Kabilang na, sir, kapaho? Okay, panlima. Makakaya na tayo ng 25 pieces na pao. This morning, mango it all you can. Hope na enjoy nyo yung stay.
Guys! Bye guys! Nasulit namin ang aming eat all you can na mango for 30 minutes, only 100 pesos. So,
Anim sa kanya,
anim na mangga
guys.
po ako.
Lima
Ikaw,
ako.
kain na ka?
Lima. Bye!
Busog na busog, grabe.
Bye, Guimaras! Bye, Guimaras!